the cream of the crop. 2006 HP2 Enduro just came in on trade. Why you would ever get rid of one of these, I do not know. Excellent condition, about 17,000 miles. I believe it is 17,159. See how good I'm doing. Yeah, 17,159. Let's hear her start up. Everything works as it should. Period correct stain tune exhaust. Does also have the mounts for Jesse luggage, which we do have if you want to use it, although it would be our recommendation keep it extremely light. The subframes on these are not made for carrying weight. Give us a call at Max BMW 603-964-2877. I'm extension 1013. Ask for Cody or email Cody at maxbmw.com. Thanks guys, have a great day. Bye.